Apostolicon Fashionista.
Fellowship is an important part of our faith. This is to remind that every one of us, we are not alone in this world. Mahalaga yung nasa kanan mo, mahalaga din yung nasa kaliwa mo. Dapat maisip natin at matutunan natin, maunawaan natin kung gaano kahalaga ang fellowship. Hindi po pwede natin na, ayaw kita kasama. Hindi kita kailangan. Hindi ako makikipagkaibigan sa kahit kanino. Kaya ko ngayon na mag-isa ako. No! Kasi darating at darating yung pagkakataon, you need someone. You will long for someone to listen to you, to be with you. And without fellowship, you can go far, but you cannot go further. Kahit nasaan ka mang aspeto ng pananampalataya mo, fellowship provides us strength. When we go through this situation, marami po tayong pagdadaanan. Marami po tayong magiging struggles. Maybe may mga struggle tayo sa pamilya, anak, failure in life, loss of loved ones, down moments ng buhay natin. Pero dito po natin makikita that the more we spend time together, the more we fellowship together, it can lift up our faith and spirit.